At Traybakes, we are passionate about keeping traditional baking skills alive. A team of talented bakers have honed their skills using methods that have been passed down through generations. Over nearly 3 decades, our product range has evolved using traditional recipes, many now with a modern twist. And we use only the highest quality ingredients from established brands. The handmade character of our Traybake cakes is central to everything that we do. We combine this with a modern and efficient production facility which has been purpose-built in the beautiful English Lake District. Our range is an eclectic mix of traditional and modern, from your classic caramel shortcake through to our own contemporary twist on Rocky Road. All presented in 3 different formats, from our service trays through to our beautifully branded individually wrapped bars and sharing slices.
At Traybakes, we make it a rule to never compromise the integrity of our made-by-hand cakes. And to allow us to produce to scale consistently, we have systematically invested in specialist equipment and technology. We have some great relationships with a wide variety of customers right across the marketplace, from the small independent retailer right through to the major international wholesaler. Our customers are very varied. We've worked with Waitrose regionally for many years now, and many independent farm shops and delis have been with us from the very beginning. Regardless of the size, all of our customers enjoy a friendly, responsive and professional service. One size does not fit all, and we work very hard to understand your specific needs.
In essence, the passion and enthusiasm that I felt baking with my grandmother in her kitchen throughout my childhood is still at the heart of what we do at Traybakes today.